Shh. I would like to show you Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner H40. Na zem ukladaj. Všetko vykladaj von z krabice.
To by to pocnie natrafiła.
Pozor, nie spadnie. Dobre, polož ho. Dobre, ešte tam je už len papierik. Dobre. Čo to tu máme? To nevadí. Vyber Alex toho zasačku. Vyber toto zasačku. Ide to? Polož ho na zem. Super. So this is the charging station, and also it is auto empty station. So to remove the dirt out from the vacuum cleaner to that station. So this is the mop, so it can clean and dry the surface. So means this vacuum cleaner has also functionality of mopping. Kde je to tá druhá vrtuľka? Sofia, kde je vrtuľka?
Tu som dal na cade.
Už si nasadil vrtuľku? So in the package we received two types of the side brush. One is this black one is the white one. So here is the main brush inside, and there's a brush cover. So it could be, the cover could be removed and the brush could be also taken out to clean in case it will be necessary. I think the maintenance is very easy. There is not much things to maintain. Just time to time you should remove the dirt from that bag, which is here inside the charging station, which is actually called also auto empty station. So now I will put the main brush inside. Here is the dust compartment, which could be also removed and empty if necessary. But in case of this vacuum cleaner, we don't need to empty every time, just in case if the station is full. First step before the use, we have to remove this protective covering, the orange one. Take out both on the both side. And there is also protective films here in the front. In the front, and there is one on the back side, which should be also removed. So this dust compartment could be cleaned also with the water, but then it has to be kept. Then we have to dry it to move if you wanted to put it back into the vacuum cleaner. So at the beginning, the first step you have to do is to create a map of your flat or house. So just open the application and press the button, create a map.
Start to quickly create a map. As creation starts, open the doors of the rooms to be mapped and tidy up the floor.
So the floor have to be tidy up. So all things which is not necessary have to be removed from the floor. And So if the map of your flat is finished, then you can also add uh, sofa, no, any furniture which you have. You can add to the map, like sofa, bed, chairs, or any other tables. It will be then later helpful for the vacuum cleaner to correctly walk through your flat. So if you want to manually start to clean up your flat, just open the application and press the button Start Cleanup.
Start cleanup. The robot vacuum is repositioning. Please stay away.
Hej, to moje umniejka. Moje auto nie. Wyniosę moją mu auto. to twoja matka się nie, te są chodały.
Cicho.
To są dużo?
The dust compartment has been installed. Start returning to the station to charge.
Chodźmy tutaj. Chodzimy klinik, a tak.